In this experiment, we will study the magnetic field around a long, straight, current-carrying wire quantitatively. First, set up the apparatus. Switch on the power supply. Adjust the voltage until a suitable current I flows through the wire. Put the magnetic field sensor 1 cm beside the wire and measure the magnetic field B. Repeat the experiment with different values of current I. Plot a graph of B against I. Keep the current constant. Repeat the experiment with different values of distance between the sensor and the wire R. Plot graphs of B against R and B against 1/R.